Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Educational Express. Today's video is very important for all students of Osmania University, especially those who are studying in BSc Aviation and Aircraft Maintenance Mechanical courses. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will explain the complete exam timetable, dates, subjects, and important instructions in a very simple way. Topic announcement. Today's topic is Osmania University B.Sc Aviation and Aircraft Maintenance Semester 1 Exam Timetable, April-May 2026. Part 1, B.Sc Aviation Semester 1 Timetable. Let's first talk about the B.Sc Aviation Semester 1 regular exams. Timing. All exams will be conducted from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Maximum marks, 70. Now let's go subject by subject. Pick 30 April 2026 Thursday, AVC 101, Air Navigation, I. Pick 2 May 2026 Saturday, AVC 102, Air Regulation, I. Pick 4 May 2026 Monday, AVC 103, Aviation Meteorology, I. Pick 6 May 2026 Wednesday, AVC 104, Aircraft and Engines, I. Pick 8 May 2026 Friday, AVC AECC 105, English. So this is the complete schedule for aviation students. Part 2, Aircraft Maintenance Mechanical Timetable. Now let's move to the second timetable for BSc Aircraft Maintenance. Mechanical Semester 1. Exam timing, same as before, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Maximum marks, 70. Here are the subjects. 30 April 2026, Thursday, AMMC 101, Aerodynamics. 2 May 2026, Saturday, AMMC 102, Electrical Fundamentals I. 4 May 2026, Monday, AMMC 103, Workshop Practices. 6 May 2026, Wednesday, AMMC 104, Generic Elective, Physics. 8 May 2026, Friday, AMMC 105. Important instructions, very important. Now listen carefully. These instructions are very important. If there is any mistake or clash in the timetable, you must inform the controller of examinations immediately. Students must write exams only in their allotted centers. If your exam form is rejected, you will not be allowed to appear in the exam. Always check the correct question paper before answering. Wrong paper equals result cancellation. Mobile phones, calculators, and electronic gadgets are strictly not allowed in the exam hall. So guys, this was the complete and detailed explanation of the Osmania University Semester 1 exam timetable for aviation and aircraft maintenance students. Make sure you note down your dates properly and start your preparation accordingly. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Educational Express. Share this video with your friends so that everyone gets this important information. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try my best to reply to everyone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.